let me ask you this question. What if you can make money with just a press of a button? You press a button, boom, and you earn $2. And if you even leave a like or comment, you will earn also more $1 to that. And this money you can withdraw it with your PayPal, with your bank transfer, with your Paytm, or with your cryptocurrency, and many more. This is a new website I'm going to show you into today's video. Many people are making money with this platform and they're keeping it secret to themselves. This is why I decided to share this new website with my subscribers. Even towards the end of this video, I'm going to be revealing 2 bonus for you guys to earn even more money with this platform I'm going to be showing you. So make sure you watch this video to the end. And before we move on to that, support this video, give this video a like. I really appreciate that. And if you haven't, subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification bell button, so each time when I create new videos like this, I'll notify you. In this case, you'll be the first one to start using this method to earn money online. So with that being said, let's move on into today's tutorial. Basically, on this platform I'm going to be showing you, it's an app and it's also a website. Okay, I'm going to be revealing the website to you in a moment, but first what you want to do is this. You can browse on this platform, you can browse website or even watch video ads, and you're going to earn money for that. This is 5 types of ways you can earn money on this platform. So this is the first method to earn money on this platform. The second method is that you can leave engagement in social media, which means you can leave a like or even leave a comment and you're going to earn money for that. And number 3, you can write comments and also leave reviews and you will earn also money for that. And number 4, you can fill out surveys. It means when you make surveys, you're going to earn money for that. And the number 5, you can create account and you're going to also earn money by doing that. Towards the end of this video, I'm going to reveal the name of this platform to you. Okay, it is a website and you can also earn money with their help. As you can see, you can also use this on your phone or on your computer or tablet, and you will get paid wherever you are. Also when you are in holidays, also when you are outdoors or indoor, no matter where you are, you can use this app to make money online. So before you start using this app, all you first need to do is to go to register. So when you click on register, it's going to bring you to this page here. Okay, you can sign up with Google or you can sign up with Microsoft. Okay, when you click on this, it's going to sign up automatic with your Google account, or you can just go here and register with your email address. So when you sign in, it's going to bring you to this page here. Okay, you can see here that is 000 because I newly opened this account. So what you first need to do after you register is to go back to your email and go and verify your email account. And after verifying your email account, you can start using this platform to earn money online. The first place we want to go to earn money on this platform is that we want to go to earn. We want to click on earn. So when you click on earn, it's going to bring you to this next page here where you can start earning money on this platform. First, all you need to do is that you need to choose what type of method you want to use to earn money. As you can see, you can leave engagement on social media and earn money. You can also play game and earn money on this website, and you can also fill out surveys and to earn money on this website. And also you can browse website and earn money. And there are many ways to earn money. You can also write comments to earn money, and you can also create account to subscribe to a newsletter and start earning money with this platform. So let me just show you a live example. For example, you just go here to leave engagement on social media, you click on earn, and as you can see, we have YouTube here, we have Instagram here, and we have Facebook here. On YouTube, you can watch YouTube videos, and you can also subscribe. You can also like a YouTube video, and then to do that, you just need to click on this. It's going to take you to YouTube video, and what you can do is that you can leave a like. You can also share the video by clicking on share. So it's going to take you to this place where you can see different type of social media where you can share, or you can also copy this video link and share it with friends, and in this way we're going to earn money for that. Like a page on Facebook or on TikTok or on Twitter or even on LinkedIn, Pinterest, Reddit, Spotify, and so on. So there is another way to earn money on this platform. The other way is filling out survey. So if you click on it, you can see you can earn money with Survey Polish or Fiverr or Google Forms or Survey Monkey and many more. Let's assume we want to earn money now on Polish Fish. When you click on it, so it's going to ask you if you want to start this tutorial. So when you click start a tutorial, it's going to bring you to this next page here that you can start the survey immediately, and you can do this as so long as you can per day. So these are the other way to earn money on this platform. Or even you can go write a comment on different type of social media, and by doing this you're going to earn money online. First bonus I'm going to be showing you to earn more money with this platform is that when you go to click on referral program. First, before we go to that, comment below, let me know what type of device do you have. Do you have Android or do you have iPhone? This is the first bonus. To earn more money on this platform, you can refer people to this platform and you get your referral link here, and you can copy it and start sharing it with friends. If your referral and the first payout, you will both get 5 euros, which is equivalent to $7. So now I'm going to be giving you an extra bonus. If you subscribe to my channel and like this video and share this video with friends, you can give me your referral link and I'm going to help you get more referral as well. And that's going to give you extra income. So you can make extra money with this, guys. All you just need to is to subscribe, like this video, and also share this video with friends. That being said, now let me show you the second bonus. So the second bonus I'm going to be giving you guys is this website here called Coinbase.com. But before we go to that, the website name I'm showing you is called zareclement.com. All you just need to do is to go sign up for this website and you can start earning money by doing simple tasks on this website. And you can also download the app to your smartphone, or you can also download it on your tablet. All you just need to do is go to Google Play and download it. You see the logo here and you can download it to your smartphone or your tablet. So now let's go to the second bonus. I'm going to be revealing another platform for you guys called Coinbase.com. Okay, this is already Coinbase.com. Before we start using Coinbase.com, you need to sign in, go to get started, and you can sign up for this platform. And after that, you just need to go to individuals, and then under individual you'll see a drop down and you can go to earning. Okay, it's right, and this is learning and earning crypto. So when you click on this learning and earning crypto, it's going to bring you to this other page. As you can see, earn crypto while learning about crypto. So this is a very simple way to earn money. You just need to watch a video and you earn money for that, and just not anyhow video. The video you're going to be watching is a course based on crypto. So as you can see here, this course here is for $3. There is another course here for $3. Another course here is for $4, and it goes on and on and on. Another course here is for $10, and the next one, the other course, is for $9, and it goes on and on and on and on like that. So basically, this is how you can earn money on Coinbase. You just need to watch a course and you're going to earn money for that. But first, before you start using it, you need to sign up to this platform and fill in the forms, and after filling the form, you can earn money watching different type of crypto courses on this platform. I hope you've got much value in this video, and if so, give this video a thumbs up, support this channel, and also if you're new here, subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification bell button, so next time when I create new videos like this, you will get update. So thank you for watching this video, guys, and I will see you in some of my next video.